In question 10, we have two smooth spheres, P and Q, of equal radii, and they have masses 4 and 8, respectively. Set up your table. They lie at rest on a smooth horizontal floor so that the line joining their centers is perpendicular to the vertical wall. Well, that's the I direction. P is projected towards Q with speed 12u. So the initial speed is 12u and collides with Q, and then Q then hits the wall, rebounds and collides with P again. This final collision reduces Q to rest. The coefficient of restitution between P and Q is 1/4. And the coefficient between Q and the wall is E. So we have two things going on. And show that E is equal to 2/7. So Q is at rest. They're both at rest. Q, okay, so 0 here. And we can call, well, we don't have anything here. We can call them P and Q or A and B. Just call it A and B maybe. So applying our formula, we'll see where we get to here. 4 times 12u plus 8 times 0 is equal to 4 times A plus 8 times B. 4A plus 8B is equal to 48u, where A plus 2B is equal to 12u. Then A minus B over 12u minus 0 equals minus E minus 1/4. So 4A minus 4B equals minus 12u. And if we multiply the top one by 2, we can write 2A plus 4B is equal to 2A plus 4B is equal to 24u. So we're going to get 6A is equal to 12u. So A is equal to 2u. And if A is equal to 2u, I have 2u plus 2b equals 12u from this equation here. So I'm going to get 2b is equal to 10u, so b is equal to 5u. Put my new speeds on. I've got a 2u and a 5u. So now Q is here. It's going in this direction. It hits the wall. So here we go. Hits the wall, rebounds and collides with P again. So let's look between Q and the wall. So we can do here, we can do the new velocity divided by the old velocity is equal to minus E, and we'll call the new velocity, we have an A and B, let's call it C. So C divided by 5u is equal to minus E, so C is equal to minus 5u E. And then we are told that when it rebounds, it collides with P again, and that this collision reduces Q to rest. So we set up a new table here. We have our 4, our 8. We now have P and Q traveling new speeds. We don't know their speeds afterwards. We know Q is brought to rest. We haven't used D yet. We'll call this one D. And we have a speed for P now traveling at 2u and Q at minus 5u times E. So we can say that 4 times 2u plus 8 times minus 5ue is equal to 4d plus 8 times 0, just to put it in. So we're going to get 8u minus 40ue is equal to 4d. Dividing by 4, we're going to get 2u minus 10ue is equal to 2. That's just equal to d. Divided by 4, it's just equal to d. And my other equation will be V1 minus V2, D minus 0 over 2U minus minus, so plus 5UE equals minus E. We have E between them, what was it? A quarter from above, so minus a quarter. So 4D equals minus 2U minus 5UE. And we actually had an expression for 4D up above as well that we could equate to this one, so we can say then that therefore 8U minus 40UE is equal to minus 2U minus 5UE. So we're going to get 10U equals 35UE, bringing the 40 across. So dividing by U, we're going to get E is equal to 10 over 35, which is 2 over 7. What were we asked to show it was? Thankfully, we were asked to show it was 2 over 7. Then we're asked to find the final velocity of P in terms of U. So that's just D. We need to find out what D is. So we have here, we have D is equal to 2U minus 10U times E, which is 2 over 7. So D is equal to 2U minus 20U over 7. So that's 14U minus 14U over 7 minus 20U over 7. So it looks like minus 6U over 7 for the final velocity. And then we were asked the total loss in kinetic energy due to the 3 collisions. So we look at P, total loss in kinetic energy, we have a 12U, 2U, and this minus 6U over 7. We're just looking at start of that. So the 12U is what it started at. Isn't it 12U? Yeah, 12, and then I end up with this minus 6 over 7, so a half. So what was this mass? 4. A half 4. My 12U to be squared is 2 times 144U squared. 288U squared before, and now it's going at a half times 4. The energy in it is 6, or minus if you want to put it in, 6U over 7 to be squared is twice 36 over 49, 72 over 49, and that will be U squared. So the loss is 288U squared minus 72 over 49U squared. So it doesn't look like it works out quite evenly. Just typing it into a calculator maybe. Comes out as a decimal. To the nearest whole number, 286.5 might be the closest in terms of joules. Question 10 is complete.